Sweetheart. Yes. How are you? I've been. How has the program been?
Continue.
I know. I know that guest minister. I know him. No, that man is powerful. Oh.
Will
I
you
know
keep
you are so
quiet?
loaded and blessed. I know. In fact, I can't wait to see you, to tap from the blessing.
Will you keep quiet?
Yes. So how far? Where are you now?
Continue.
You say? Yes, the program. Oh yes. Oh, there is giving in the program. How can you go to a church program, sweetheart, and there's no giving? There must be giving, and I know.
Will you keep
we are all
quiet?
givers. Yes. They say givers never lack, and we have to give, especially in the church, so that the work of God will continue. Yes. So you say you give what?
Funke.
You gave our car.
Jesus is
The car I bought for you. You gave church.
Child.
Okay. Is that what you call to you? Is that what
Here
you
is
are
God.
telling me now? Sweet Mama Daniel, you didn't call me to ask me before you give, but you are telling me now you have given the car.
Apostle will hear of this.
It's okay. It's okay.
Child.
Thank you that you have given the car.
Here is God.
Just remain in the church there. You can remain there and continue. Be a church worker. Thank you.